Assalamu alaikum. We have this EPS here with EPS 1, including EPS 2, including EPS 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And in EPPM, we see the same, except the EPS 1 only showing and not the other ones. Why? Now, if you do refresh, nothing showing. And you will wonder why the EPS I established here are not showing an EPS in the EPPM. There is a small things to do. You go here to the setting, customize views, and you go to grouping. And if you see here, hide if empty, you remove it and apply and save the view. Okay. And you open and you will see everything available here. Okay. And you see this nice coloring and you say, how can I do the same coloring or change whatever colors I have as a brand? I go to setting and going again to grouping and choose themes. Here you have typical themes available, but I have these custom ones as I wanted. And you can show it as vertical, horizontal, classic. Okay. And let's keep classic for now to show it like what we have in the Primavera P6 application. Okay, and you go refresh. Okay, and here we are. We have everything here. And here, what you say, it's available. So this is how we work in EPS in Primavera P6 EPPM. When you work between the professional and EPPM, you need to know how to set up your views, so you will see whatever you see in Primavera P6 Professional. Thank you very much for watching. This is Ziad Al-Basir for training. Contact us in email info@zialbasireppm.com or send us a WhatsApp through our website. Thank you very much and most welcome, Ziad Al-Basir.